Your pension can buy property. If you run a limited company, someone has probably said that to you. And it's true. A SSAS can buy commercial property outright and hold it, with the rent rolling up tax-free. But there are hard lines around what counts. 3 minutes, what's in, what's out, and how a purchase works. Start with what's allowed, and the list is wider than most directors expect. Commercial property, offices, factories, warehouses, retail units, hotels, agricultural land. Bare landworks, where the intent is commercial use. So do forestry and woodland. Even a houseboat or caravan run as a commercial holiday let can qualify. And mixed-use property, say a shop with a flat above, can work if the residential part is incidental and under roughly 10% of the whole, always judged on its facts. Now the hard line, and it's the one to remember. Residential property is out. Not discouraged, out. HMRC calls it taxable property, and the penalties are built to make the maths impossible. A scheme sanction charge of up to 70%, plus a 40% charge on you as a member. The same goes for personal use assets, yachts, classic cars, art, fine wine, and most tangible movable property worth over £6,000. If you'd enjoy owning it, your SSAS probably can't. Now the mechanics, and first, don't confuse this with the loanback from video 2. The loanback is your SSAS lending money to your company. This is the SSAS buying the property itself. The trustees, usually you, hold it inside the scheme. Two different routes. From there, identify the property. Get an independent arm's-length valuation. Commit the scheme's funds. If the pot falls short, a SSAS can borrow up to 50% of its net assets to fund the purchase. A separate rule from the loanback. The tenant pays full commercial rent to the scheme, where it grows tax-free. Now the move that makes this real for directors. Your SSAS buys your own trading premises, the building your company works from, or the one it's moving into. Your company then rents it from the scheme. Proper market rate, independently assessed, no favors. But follow the money. Rent leaves the company as a deductible business expense and lands in your pension, growing tax-free. Every payment that would have gone to a landlord builds your retirement instead. Same building, same rent, different destination. So 3 things to do next. 1. Check the property is genuinely commercial. Any residential element at all, get it assessed before going further. That line is unforgiving. 2. Know your budget. The scheme's value, plus borrowing of up to 50% of net assets, sets what's possible. 3. Use an administrator who handles property purchases every week. Valuation, legal work, rent reviews, all of it. Everything else is at saspension.co.uk. Thanks for watching.